Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Skrill wallet login problems. Verification errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Skrill app or the official website and avoid any third-party links. Check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network blocks. Turn off any VPN or proxy because Skrill may block logins from masked locations. Update the Skrill app to the latest version or try a different browser if you are on a computer. Clear the app cache on Android or reinstall the app on iPhone to remove corrupted login data. If you use a browser, clear cookies and cache. Then restart the browser completely. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic because wrong time can break verification codes. Double-check your email and password, and ensure caps lock is off when typing. Use the Forgot Password option and create a strong new password if you suspect a mismatch. Check your email inbox and spam folder for Skrill security alerts or password reset messages. If the login error mentions verification, open your Skrill profile and review your account status messages. Verify that your phone number is correct and can receive SMS. Then request a new code. If SMS codes do not arrive, restart your phone and try again after a few minutes. Try the voice call option for the code if Skrill offers it in your region. Avoid requesting too many codes in a short time because temporary blocks can happen. If you use an authenticator app, confirm the correct account is selected and the code is current. If you changed phones recently, relink the authenticator or use backup methods if available. For identity verification errors, prepare a valid government ID that is not expired and is clearly readable. Take photos in good lighting. Avoid glare, and ensure all four corners of the document are visible. Make sure the name and date of birth on your Skrill profile match your ID exactly, including middle names. If address verification fails, upload a recent utility bill or bank statement that shows your full name and address. Confirm the document is recent enough, usually within the last 3 months, and not edited or cropped. If selfie or liveness checks fail, clean the camera lens and remove hats, masks, and heavy shadows. Use the same device camera for the whole verification flow and keep your face centered and steady. If you see verification pending, wait for the review window and do not submit multiple times unless prompted. Check Skrill's Help Center for region-specific requirements that may explain the exact error message. If you are still locked out, contact Skrill support from the official support page and attach screenshots of the error. Keep your reference number, registered email, and device details ready to speed up support verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.